Good evening, traders. This is the market analysis for 29th of June 2022. Today, markets stayed largely in a range with a slight bias towards upside, as we were discussing in yesterday's session. Until 15,600 gets broken, the bias would be slightly on the bullish side because this is a large price band where a lot of longs were built in. So now, uh, I'm sorry, this is a zone where a lot of shorts were built in initially. And so as I always say, whenever you are trading, you need to look at something called as a counterparty effect. That is, if there is an area on chart where you see a lot of shorts being built, it would take twice the normal effort for longs to break through that zone to the upside. And that's the same thing which happened here. And that's the reason why this zone is being held with a lot of defense from longs at this moment. So until 15,600 breaks to the downside, I'm not bearish on this market so from a short-term basis, and I wouldn't be carrying any positional shorts. To the upside, if we see for momentum to pick up, we would need to break 15,935, which is the uh, today range high. Until that does, expect the job to continue since we've been trading in a sideways market from the last 3 days after last weekly expiries, roller coaster moves. We can expect a range expansion soon, and it would be interesting to see which side the expansion would happen. As I said, I'm not much inclined towards the downside now unless we see a major gap down or we see some heavy shots coming in, which order flow would indicate to us. Uh, and the usual course of action from this point would be moving up and to the downside for tomorrow on an intraday perspective until let's say 15,800 is broken. I would not be short because as I said, this is the price band that I'm looking at since the last 2 weeks, and the play on this band has been happening quite a lot of times. So until 15,800 is broken to the downside, I will not be shorting a Nifty on an intraday basis tomorrow. I would look for longs and only scalp trades until 15,935 is broken. If 15,935 is broken, I will convert my trades into full-fledged longs and carry them home. Looking at Bank Nifty, it's the same thing at 33,700 to 33,290, and you can see how the range was defended today. We even see a lot of volumes coming in this range. So if we break out about today's high, Bank Nifty can give a good strong move, and it's in line with Nifty. I'm not expecting much downside in case of Bank Nifty on a short-term basis until we break 33,290 and go down, or else it's just a few half a percent or 1% move here and there that can happen. But the major bias is tilted towards bullishness at this moment, unless even when I look at order flow, when we are reaching these crucial zones, I'm seeing longs are absorbing the shorts very aggressively and lifting the prices up. So unless I see that changing, unless I see at this moment it's sellers who need to put in twice the effort, they need to show twice the intent to actually break these areas. So until that happens, I will not be bearish on these markets. And when that happens, I will surely let you know if because I track order flow and volume analytics in live market. I share my updates in the Telegram channel I run. The link is given in the description below. Please make sure to join it. Also, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will really motivate us to keep the content moving along. Thank you and see you tomorrow.